Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris with another video. Today I am going to introduce you to my new dog. What is his name? This guy right here. So he already knows seats. He already knows sit in German because he's a German Shepherd. Look at him. He's half the size of Indy. I'm at my friend Saraswati's house. She's trying to train him right now. Kind of, not really. I just introduced them. What is his name? Officially, I guess his name is Stark, but I've been calling him Zeke. I don't know why, but that's the name that I've been calling him. But Stark. So this is Stark. In Game of Thrones, we got Stark right here. And he's a very playful German Shepherd. He's very nice. And he was a rescue. All I really know, he was from a home that was abusing him. He was being left outside. People called the police, and then they just wanted to get rid of him. He needed to find a home, or else he was going to be in a shelter. So John and Kristen let me know. Kristen's sister took him in from the family, but she couldn't keep him, so she kind of just temporarily took him, and I took him. So now he's part of the family. Indy is his big brother, and they love playing. Here he is. Oh, don't go in there. See, he already knows, don't go in the pool. So her dogs are inside. They're smart because it's really hot out today. Stark loves playing. We're gonna bring him back inside. He's got a bowl of water right here, so it's about 80 degrees out here. Let's meet him.
I like Zeke for him better.
I do. I like Zeke. I don't know where I got it from.
He looks like a Zeke. That's why.
He does. I've been calling him Zeke.
Zeke.
No, come on, come on. There's a safety cover.
He's teaching my dog bad habits.
So you might be wondering why I'm over here, because I don't have a fenced-in yard, and I don't want to do a video with him on his leash. Surprisingly, he hasn't shaken off yet. He just likes to be wet. Do you like to be all soggy? Come here. He likes to eat too. He loves his V-Dog, but he will eat it within 3 seconds. Whereas Indy takes his time. Someone, I think on my Instagram account, told me that they make these slow feeders, like bowls with like bumps in them or something. I really need to get one of those because this guy is a piggy, a Ziggy Piggy. So what else can I tell you about him? He is 59 pounds. He's doing great. He loves his new place. He's not as well trained as Indy, that's for sure. He's a year and a half old. He has a lot of accidents in the house. He's just looking at that ball go. Don't get it. Don't.
He
no.
likes the water. That's what he wants to do.
I'm afraid it's not gonna.
Me too.
Grab it. Come on. Bring it. All right. Don't go in there again. You ready?
Like, what did people want to see us make with that meat? Tacos?
Yes, but we are lasagna.
We need to then plan that this week.
Why, you have that meat with you?
I still have it in the freezer.
Okay.
I've
We'll do that.
hold on to it.
We'll make a lasagna.
But we can't do it in my house because my stove's not going to be delivered until next week.
We can go over to my house and do it, and then we can watch Indy and Stark. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below. Officially, he's Stark as far as records go on his vet visit, but I've been calling him Zeke.
He looks like a Zeke.
I like Zeke. Z-E-K-E, Zeke. What do you think?
Zeke.
Zeke and Indy. Let us know in the comments below. I know for a hot minute on my Twitch account I told you guys I think I was gonna name him Ash, but when I say it fast, like Indy and Ash, it sounds like
Indy's ass.
Yeah. So.
All right.
Come on, out, come on. Off of there. See, he won't listen to me like Indy will. See, when I got Indy, he was a lot younger and I trained him from day one. This guy does not like to listen, but I did teach him to sit. So before he gets his food, he sits and he looks me in the eye for 10 seconds, and then I'm like, okay, go ahead. What are you doing? What is he doing? Here, you want me? Here, I'll throw this for you. Ready? Here we go. We're gonna throw this for him. Ready? He likes to fetch, that's for sure. You're a fetcher. Come here. Ready? He's a fast dog. There he is. Oh, there's Lola. Lola's a bloodhound. She can sniff out anything except for her sister when she's lost. So that's Zeke, Stark, one of the same. I don't think he really cares as long as he gets to eat and play. There's Sonia. She is the pup that was all over social media because she got lost when Saraswati was in another country. The person watching her let her go, and she was on her own
For 3 weeks.
3 weeks in 100-degree weather, and then They found her.
She's a senior.
She is. She survived in the swamp for 3 weeks. Crazy. Let me show you some footage of the first day that I met Zeke, or Stark. We drove up with Kristen and Rachel and
The dragonfly.
Dragonfly Libelule. We drove about an hour away to meet him and bring him back here. Here is the first moment that I met Stark. Do you think you can get along with another puppy? Can there be another Indy? There could never be another Indy. What about Cal? Do you like Cal? Do you like Cal? Indy doesn't like the look of the camera, if you guys haven't noticed. He doesn't like the look of the camera. This is about an hour drive, and I'm with my friend Rachel. Hi, Rachel. And Kristen, which you can see in John's new video. And she makes some good food. But anyway, we are almost there, and we're here to meet the new pup. The new pup. We're in the middle of nowhere. Last house on the left, right?
Yes.
Where's the puppy? There he is. Hey, Cal. Hey, Cal. You don't want to bark at us. How are you? Hi.
Pretty.
Look at you. You smell me? Yeah.
He is small compared to Indy. Holy crap. Hi, buddy.
He's way smaller than me. Hi. Okay, you're nice and soft. Oh, come here. Hi. Oh, you're gonna jump on me?
Yeah, you're pretty.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Cal.
Are you a good boy?
How are you? Hi.
Like
You're a
Gracie?
good boy.
Yeah. He's well, calm down.
Yeah. All right, there's our new buddy, Cal. How you doing? He's going for a ride. Hopefully, Indy likes you. He's being a really good boy. He's got a nice bright tongue.
Boy.
There's Indy.
Good boy.
You gonna come down? You gonna go up?
Okay. I think it'll be okay.
Yeah.
Getting the feel of each
They got
other.
their barking out at each other early on. And
I
now
mean, if they're not fighting by now, I feel like
Indy doesn't even really care anymore. He's just like, I
he's
want to
went
go for a
up there.
walk. He is a very friendly pup. He will definitely outplay Indy, and Indy gets, I think, a little bit sick of it sometimes. He is also a vegan dog like Indy, V-Dog. Let me tell you a little bit about V-Dog, also about Indy, because I think it's important. A lot of people think that dogs are carnivores, which is not true. Dogs are true omnivores, and they've been domesticated for the past 11,000 years, so they are a little bit different than their cousins, the wolves and stuff. So they do very well on a proper plant-based diet. They actually thrive on a plant-based diet, and a lot of the science proves that. He goes to a team of 5 vets, which Indy has gone to for the last 8 years now, and they agree that he's on the best diet that he can be on. He's doing great on V-Dog, and I can't say enough good things about it, because the truth is Indy, who's not with me right now, let me put in some B-roll of Indy. Indy had parvo when I got him as a puppy, and I ended up paying a lot of money to save him. He had to go to intensive care overnight for like a week, and they had to watch him very closely because parvo is a very life-threatening virus for dogs, and once they come down with symptoms, it's usually too late. And I didn't know anything about this, so I brought Indy there, and I said, it doesn't seem right, something doesn't seem right, and they said, oh, he's got parvo. He tested positive for parvo, and what parvo does is it destroys their internal organs and their digestive system, and that's what it did. So he wasn't able to digest his food after that for a very long time. Not trying to get too graphic here, but it was like diarrhea for the next year, and I had him on all kinds of medicine that they prescribed. I had him on premium dog foods, vet prescribed foods, and nothing seemed to work. And when Indy turned 1 year old, I decided to go against the wishes of the doctors, where he was on vet prescribed formulas and stuff like that, and I took him off his medicine and I put him on a vegan formula. I think it was Nature's Recipe, and he immediately got better within a week. He was finally able to digest his food, and I thought this was great. And then I moved him over to another more premium dog food, and he was doing great still, but I noticed that he had a pretty bad rash that he always had, and he would always bite at it, and it was like in his belly, underbelly, near his groin and stuff, and it was all red all the time, and he'd always be chewing at it. So I finally switched him over to V-Dog, which is a premium dog food. It is a hypoallergenic vegan dog formula, and the rash went away, and that was, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, and he's been doing super good ever since. So he's very healthy. He's 8.5 now. He's about 115 pounds, very smart, very playful. And now Zeke, or Stark over here, is also on it, and he loves it. He'll eat his food, like I said, he'll eat his food in about 2 or 3 seconds. More like 7 seconds, but yeah, he eats it very fast. So hopefully we can get something to slow him down there. But yeah, he seems to really like the food. He's doing well, no digestive problems. Hey, come on over here. Come on over. Come on, we're talking about you. So highly recommend V-Dog formula. I do have a promo code for there, and just to be transparent here, I know a lot of people, this is important to people, but I'm genuine when I say that this really works. I'm not getting paid for saying this, but Zombie Dog is a promo code you can use as a first-time customer. You will save, I don't know, 10-15% on your order. They also have dog treats, which I did bring with me. I brought some dog treats for Zeke to try, to train him a little bit out here. Beautiful day out here. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also, you can go to their website. They have all kinds of articles and different vets you can talk to there, or links for that at least. So you don't have to go just by their word. You can go from others, and there's thousands of people that can they have testimony that this is this works. So I wouldn't be sitting here letting you guys know about it if I didn't think it worked, if I didn't see it work for the last 7 years. So yeah, or at least the last 5.5, 6 years as far as that brand. But yes, dogs can be vegan. So there you go. And I know I get a lot of hate comments here too. A lot of people say, why would you, I know you're vegan, that's one thing, but why would you force your dog to be on a vegan diet? Well, I guess really, if you look at it that way, everybody's forcing their dog to be on whatever diet they put him on. And I would rather him be on the healthiest diet he can be on than some of the crap that they sell at the store. You'd be surprised at the kind of meat that they put in. It's like
Roadkill.
Second meat, yeah, roadkill. I know that some of the meat and some of the products has euthanized meat in there, and then they put it up to high temperatures, but then it destroys all the nutrients and stuff. So you're better off going with a very fresh, organic, whole food, making your own, or finding something like V-Dog to give to your dog. But dogs need pretty much what humans need, so you need to give them their proteins, their carbohydrates, and all the nutrients that we need to live, they need to live, and it's all in V-Dog. So V-Dog has everything in it that they need to be healthy. I also give my dog sweet potato. They love carrots for snacks. They both do. Zeke will eat more things than Indy will. I noticed that he also loves bananas. Indy won't come near a banana. I want to give my dog the best I can give him, and by no means is this depriving my dog or cruel for my dog to eat a diet like this. It's the best I can give him, and he loves it. And so many other dogs out there love it. I know Saraswati's dogs are also on a vegan formula. I don't think it's a V-Dog, but they've also been vegan dogs for the entirety of the time.
My Great Danes live to be 13 years old, and no vaccines except for rabies because it's mandatory by state.
Yeah. Also, Saraswati has been vegan as long as we're almost exactly the same age too. So I hope that answers a lot of your guys' questions about this, because I know a lot of people have been asking to do a video about can dogs be vegan, and you also want to know, you wanted to meet my new dog, and there's my new dog sitting right here. So I think that wraps this video up. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, helps me out, and don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and you can also pick up one of my t-shirts. I make them myself. It'll support my channel, the Go Vegan ones. Actually, any ones on my page, I'll link that below as well. And I will see you guys soon. What are you doing? You're not a kitty. You're not a kitty. Indy, he's not a kitty. He thinks he's a kitty. What is this kitty doing? What is he doing? He thinks he's a kitty. You're not a kitty, you're a puppy. Oh. He just climbed up on top of me. Are you done? Okay, that hurt a lot. A lot.